Hello, I'm going to try to do some blue eyeshadow today. Right now I am wearing eyeshadow. It's a natural palette from Sasha, but I'm going to do this palette right now. Can you see this? Okay, here we go. I'm going to try using this palette to do some blue eyeshadow. And why? Just because, you know, for no reason at all. Okay, so I'm going to start with the lightest color. I'm going to put it, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to start with blue. I'm just going to put some blue. Here we go. So I'm using blue with this brush right here, and I'm just going to put it. Oh my god, I feel like I literally don't wear any other color besides this hair, the natural color from Sasha. It's the same trio kind of palette. I love the trio. Okay, so I'm gonna try blending this in with my hand. This is an experiment. It's absolutely an experiment, okay? Oh my god. I feel like I need to add some more. Is it too much? I remember reading a book when I was younger, like maybe, I don't know, it's from, I don't know, I was probably 13 or something. I don't know, I'm making this up because I can't remember exactly. I just remember reading this awesome book that said a girl can never wear too much eyeshadow.
Is you can never wear enough blue eyeshadow.
And a girl can't wear too much eyeshadow, okay? So don't overdo it. Right now, I'm just, oh my god, this looks kind of crazy. Maybe you shouldn't do this. I don't have a mirror right now. I'm just using this camera on this phone, so excuse me. That's pretty much all I'll do. Okay, that was a bit much there. Blue eyeshadow. I feel like it should be sparkly. I don't know why. If I have to wear this, I'll have to be wearing something blue. I'll have to be wearing a blue outfit, and yeah, then I could wear this. Okay, should I do the next side? Okay, let's do the other side, just for fun. A girl can never wear too much eyeshadow.
Is you can never wear enough blue eyeshadow.
You know, I have to Google that to see like which book it was, because it was a good book, you know. I was a bookworm when I was younger. A total bookworm. I would just read books and walk and read. It was just dangerous. It's just as dangerous as, you know, being on your phone while you're driving. Like, don't do that. Don't do that at all, okay? If you're driving, do not be on your phone. Yeah. So do not walk and read as well. Don't do that. Read a lot, but don't walk and read, because you will damage yourself. You can fall. I like how this side is nice and deep. So I'm going to put some more on this side. Blue eyeshadow. I'm doing blue eyeshadow for no reason at all. Or should I put on a blue outfit just so you can see how it would look with a blue outfit? Because right now I'm wearing light pink. Light pink is a favorite color of mine. Yeah. I do have a nice blue top and a nice blue dress that I can probably put on. Just so you can see, you know, because I won't wear blue eyeshadow with a pink dress, you know. But the blue looks really nice, doesn't it? I feel like this blue eyeshadow would be for something a little more dressy. Like maybe like an evening something, you know? It wouldn't just be for like a daytime look. It would probably be for more like an evening, something a little dressy, you know. So I'm playing around with this right now. Just lots of blue, lots of blue. Okay, so now I'm going to just sort of blend this in. Should I? I don't know. Let me just do this right here. Oh my god, I'm taking it off. No, I don't want to take it off. I like it deep. So I'm not blending it in with my hands. That's just crazy. Like, I have this palette for so long and I haven't actually used it. So this is the first time I'm trying it out. And I have to say it's pretty okay. Like, I don't have eyeshadow primer. And that will make it look really deep, I'm sure. So the next time I'm going to try this blue eyeshadow out, I will absolutely get some primer, eyeshadow primer. And I'll put it on my lid before I do this. I don't normally use eyeshadow primer. I normally just put it on. Like the normal, the natural looking one, not the blue one. Okay, do you think I'm putting on too much? I mean, a girl can never wear too much eyeshadow. Hey. Okay, so I put this blue dress on, and this necklace and this earring to go with the blue eyeshadow. What do you think? Do you like it? I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, so I know when you have a bold shadow, you're not supposed to have a bold lip. So I'm going to take this lipstick off and wear something a little more toned down, and then we'll see how it looks.